guys, from today's title you could see that I'll be opening up my Ipsy, and it's just gonna be a quick little video hopefully because I gotta go and do some school stuff that I don't want to do, but I just want to show you my Ipsy quickly so I could edit on the go and it just works out for me. So this month's theme was Lashing Out, and this is the bag. I will go into detail more of the bag once everything's out. Well, this month's theme, like, I had to look for it because I don't know, like, on the app they don't post like their theme anymore. It just says September or August or whatever. It doesn't have the info on the card either. It just says the question isn't who is going to tell me, it's who is going to stop me. Well, okay. But it doesn't say Lashing Out anywhere, but I'm sure it's Lashing Out. If you know for sure, let me know down below. And then it has some lash boosting formulas that are included in this month's pick of mascaras. I didn't get any, but here are some, and then you could get those 30% cash back from their Ipsy shopper. So yeah, I like this month's theme. And then this bag, I think we've gotten like something like this before, and then there's just black at the back. I like the little gold deets, and then the inside's pretty cute. But first, let's talk about the products. The first one is these 2 sheet masks. If you know, you get Ipsy, you always get 2 masks and they count as 1 item. Oh god, I don't know what the heck this says. But this is an avocado mask, and it says Natural Energy Mask Sheet. Avocado is rich in polyphenol and nutrition and has good effect on moisturizing and softening skin. So I'm excited to see how this works and how it smells like. Oh, and it tells you how to use it too. After washing your face, apply your toner to the skin. After opening the product, remove the film, place the mask over your face, matching it with the eye and mouth areas. Gently press, Remove the mask after 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I'll try these out. But like, I hate masks, but I love them at the same time. They're just so cold for me. Next here, I have something that some might be excited for, but I am not. It's the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and it's like super tiny. I'll show it to you too. And it says it's 3.0 grams, I think, and then 0.1 ounces. And if you've used this before, let me know how it is. Sweep this matte bronzer all over your face or use it to create a natural looking contour. Yeah, I mean, I have so many bronzers and I barely like use them. So I don't know what the point is. Here, oh my gosh, it matches my shirt. Oh, it's pretty though. It's like, I feel like, I don't know. It's like, I think it'll match me perfectly, or it'll be a little light. I'm not sure. It could be any of those. But I'm just gonna give this away perhaps because I don't want to use it. And then this, everybody was dying for and everybody's looking to buy. But I'm just gonna keep it in my collection. It's a Luxie brush. And I think it's their collab or something with, it says DC somewhere over here. And then it's a Harley Quinn brush, and it's like, it says goodnight on here. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like I need this. And in the picture, you could see the brushes like this. So I was like, okay, it's gonna be like one of those brushes when you define. But no, it's round. I was so surprised. So what am I gonna use this for? Like, I don't wanna keep it, but like, can I use it to like blend? I mean, it's not too big. I don't know, but it's so interesting to me. It kind of looks like a little bat because of this goodnight. I don't know. I'm guessing, or maybe I might be wrong. But yeah, let me know what you're gonna use this for. And next item in here is pretty big, and it's a intensive mask for your hair. It's called the Expert Color Care, and it's from Hansford. And let's see how I use this. Oh my god, it doesn't say. Oh, it does, I think. Can be used daily or weekly to nourish, enhance, and condition dry and damaged or over-processed hair. After shampooing, distribute evenly through towel-dried hair, concentrating on the ends. Comb through and leave it for 5 minutes before rinsing. Okay, hopefully I figure that out. Let me see how it smells. And it does have a little seal. Oh my god. It doesn't smell like pleasant, but there is a smell to it. It smells okay. I can't place the smell, but maybe the ingredients can tell me, but I don't understand all these ingredients. Sure, we're on the last item already. Well, I was excited to try this. Well, I am, because Jeffree Star uses it. And it's a No Poreblem Primer from Touch in a Soul, and everybody's been like talking about this. So I can't wait to use this. And you just use it as a primer because it doesn't say any other specific information, just the ingredients on here. But yeah, this is a nice size. I want to know how this feels, so I will. Oh my god, it's literally not coming out. Hello, are you in there? Jesus Christ, I probably use this like half of my face and it'll be gone. No, do you see this? Jesus, primer. Oh, I got some. Okay, I'm gonna try to put some back. I didn't use primer today because I'm in a big ass hurry, but ooh, it's thick. It's like, try to use it somewhere where I don't have anything. And then I'll apply like concealer or something there. So it doesn't feel too silicone-y, it feels thick. And it just like absorbed into my arm, so like it will work on pores, I'm assuming. Let me know if you've tried it. And then let me know if you tried any of these items. Let me know what you got in your box. Look at my primer. There's like a little bit on there, so use it carefully, but I mean it's something. And plus I still love the price and everything for Ipsy because of what they give. And then next month, if we're gonna do the Ipsy Plus thing, which I'm still confused about everything because they haven't released information about it too much. So I don't know if I want to try it or not. I need to stop wasting money, so I probably won't. And like I promised, here's the inside, and it's so cute because it's like dark. Oh, it matches my shirt. Oh my god. And it says rules were made to be broken. So like it's like gold. It's not gold, it's kind of like nude and purple, so that's how like my shirt is. So yes, this was this month's Ipsy. I actually really like it. The brush I'll definitely be using it. It's something unique to have in your collection. The primer, I could get a use out of it, but at least it's something that doesn't, like, I have like 4 primers, but I like switch it up, so at least I have something to use instead of my bigger primers. This here I will use because I need something for my hair, and I'm finally starting to use masks because my hair is pretty fucked up. And then this bronzer, I'll see if someone wants it, or else I'll give it a try, or just, you know, just do something with it because I don't use bronzers too much. I don't know, I should start using them because look at my fat face. And these I'll definitely be using because I love skincare, and I'll suck it up. Whoa. I'll suck up the coldness and just use it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Perhaps my BoxyCharm, which I'll do soon. Bye, you guys. Thank you.